I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making bar none bars. Is that an oxymoron? Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. A few weeks ago, I was doing research for the show. I was in a candy store, and I happened upon a bar none candy bar. I remembered the name from my childhood, but couldn't remember at all ever having one, so I snatched it up, brought it home, paid for it, of course. Turns out a bar none is like a KitKat with a crushed peanut topping. Sounds pretty tasty, right? And they're super easy, so let's get to it. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own bar none, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using some chocolate wafer cookies, 40 grams of peanuts, and 180 grams of chocolate. I'm also using a silicone bowl, a cutting board, some parchment paper, and a couple of precision dipping tools. Okay, let's make some candy. Crush the peanuts. Temper the chocolate. Add enough chocolate to the peanuts to fully coat them. Dip a cookie into the chocolate. Allow the excess to drain. Place it on a lined cutting board and add some of the chocolate-covered peanuts. Repeat with the remaining cookies and allow them to rest on the counter until the chocolate is set. And that's it! For tonight's tasting segment, I have a special treat. A few weeks ago, I shared with you a video of my son and me trying some spicy chocolate. It was a lot of fun, and you really seemed to enjoy it. Well, he's back!
I'm right here.
It's Gibby!
That's me.
He came to visit us, and so I figured, hey, you know, while he's here, let's enlist him for some more tasting. So, choose your weapon.
I'll choose the one on my side.
That's the way you're supposed to do it.
Yeah.
So, here it is, the bar none Slancheva.
Well, it is a little warm in here. It's very good.
I will say, and I've said this before, making chocolate treats in the middle of a heat wave is a horrible idea. When I tempered this chocolate, it took forever to cool down to the right temperature, and then once I made the bars, it took forever to set. It was not a pleasant experience.
But it says tasty experience, right?
It is a very tasty experience. That is really good. I'm really happy with the way those turned out. The wafer cookie has that nice crunch to it.
It's got a nice crunch.
The peanuts, even crunchier. The chocolate, I mean, the flavors are all right there. The textures are all right there. What do you think?
I like it. The peanuts aren't like super hard, so they kind of, go with the crunchiness of everything else. So it's really nice.
Yeah, I think I'm happy with the way these turned out. So basically, if you like KitKats and peanuts, you really ought to try this. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. And I happened upon a bar blah, 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 blah. For tonight's taste. I'll tell you, if you like KitKats and peanuts, you really ought to.
You really ought to try it.
That's going in the bloopers.
The bloopers.
It is so hot in here.